Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with September's Cricut Silhouette Collab with Poetspice, and this video is late because by the time I finished it my computer was broke, but by the time I get up my computer's working, so it's late. But anyway, I just did want to go ahead and publish it because I did have the projects already made. So for the month of September we were to do Parrot, Talk Like a Parrot Day. Make sure that's his actual, yeah, like a parrot. I'm sorry, it was Make Believe, and September 19th was Talk Like a Pirate Day. So I just took that theme, and what I did was I used my, which I already own this cartridge, but it's also in Design Space, a Creative Friend, I'm sorry. And what I did was I made 2 cards. And so I just made the card base out of 110 pound, and this says Pirate Party, and I took out the letters out of the party part and stuck it in there for party. And then I just paper pieced all of those elements to say Pirate Party. And I think he turned out really cute. And he's about 3 inches, 2 3/4, I think, tall. And this is the A2 card, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And then I did one for her that says Ahoy. And the several layers. So I double layered everything up here and just glued it down. So I left that one blank on the inside, but I thought it came out really cute. So she has like 2 layers for her hair. I did the earrings, 2 layers to the knife, 2 layers to the hat, 2 layers to the chest, 2 layers to the skirt. Then there's also a dress under it, then the vest, and then the boots. Then there's 2 layers to her body for the eyes and her skin tone. Same thing with him. You know, he has this gray bodysuit, basically, the black pants, the red waistband, the black vest, the boots. What do you call it? This prosthesis. The sword, 2-piece, that's 2-piece for the flag, the eye patch. So everything was layered, multiple layers. But anyway, I thought they turned out really cute. And so that is my September submission, and please check out the other ladies. And this will be in my playlist for the Cricut Silhouette Collab for 2019 with Poetspice. And so that was my submission for that month. So the video will be late, but I'm just still going to submit it because, you know, I did the work and I just want to go ahead and show it now. Don't like to look like I didn't do my stuff even though my computer was broke. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.